What's up guys, hope you're all doing very well. My name is Yakub and in this video I will be reviewing one of the best company for templates called EasyEdit Pro. EasyEdit Pro provide different type of templates pack for different software like for Premiere Pro, After Effects and for Final Cut Pro. They are providing different type of templates pack like transition pack, title pack, YouTube pack. So here is the website of EasyEdit Pro. The website is really clean and clear. Everything is categorized very properly. As you can see, they are providing different type of packs for a different software. They are providing almost dozen of packs like a transition pack, title packs, lower thirds, graphic pack, and the packs for a YouTube like essential library for YouTuber as well. So people always asking me in the comment section why you always focus on a template pack. So I'm always asking for a template pack because if you are go to create this 300 titles for yourself, it obviously take a lot of time. Like in After Effects on a Premiere Pro, if you go to create, you obviously need to have a good command with After Effects and a Premiere Pro, and it take a lot of time. Instead of it, if you use a template pack, you just need to drag and drop in your Premiere Pro or After Effect and you're done within a few seconds. If you are a content creator or a beginner, then this packs is obviously helps you a lot to save your time and polish your skills obviously. So here is the profile of EasyEdit Pro on Inventor Market. If you want to buy some packs from Video Hive, you can also check it out from here. So one of the best thing they are provide is EasyEdit Viewer and the EasyEdit Assets. EasyEdit Viewer is one of the best and free plugin for Premiere Pro and After Effects. You can just install and it is automatically added in your Premiere Pro or After Effects extension. So once you get your pack from EasyEdit Pro, you can just drag and drop in a viewer and you can see your whole pack. In an EasyEdit Assets, they are providing you million of free media files or GIFs. You can just drag and drop and you can done within a few seconds. So I'm just download this EasyEdit Viewer and we can use it in Premiere Pro. So in a website, they also given an option of blog. In a blog, you can also get a tips tutorial post how you can use the EasyEdit Viewer or EasyEdit Assets, and you can also get an option how you can use their templates. EasyEdit Pro also provides some of the free packs for their user like for Premiere Pro, After Effects, Illustrator and Photoshop as well. You can choose whatever you want right there. In the free buys, they are give you some free packs right there. You can just install and use it for your personal use. So here is the option of Help Center. They are providing a really good help center. If you have any problem or if you want to know something, they give you a whole help center right there. So I have a good news for all of you. EasyEdit Pro doing giveaway of their packs. So if you want to participate in a giveaways, all you need to do just subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video and comment down below which pack do you like the most. So they choose random peoples and give them the packs. So all the best for the giveaway. And in this video I will review one of the pack of EasyEdit Pro called Title Pro. Title Pro available for Premiere Pro, After Effects and for the Final Cut Pro. Title Pro contains 300 plus titles and we will review EasyEdit Viewer as well. So let's install this EasyEdit Viewer and then we will go to the Premiere Pro and let's see how we can use these titles in our project of Premiere Pro. So once you download EasyEdit Viewer, it just look like this. In a folder of EasyEdit Helper, we get an application called EasyEdit Helper setup. So I'm just install it. So I already installed this extension. Once you open it for the first time, you get an option of install. Just click on it and it automatically added in your Premiere Pro and After Effects as well. So let's open our Premiere Pro and let's see how we can use it. So here we are right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm currently using 2020 version. You can use every version of Adobe Premiere Pro. It works with every version of Adobe Premiere Pro. So when you go with a window and a window, you get an option of extension and here you go, you get an option of EasyEdit Viewer. So here you can see you can get an option of job install.ev file right here. So after downloading the Title Pro, it just look like this. I got a different folders right there, like a tutorial folder. If you are a beginner, then obviously you need to watch these videos. So here is the option of EasyEdit viewer. If you not already downloaded from website, you can also get the link from here. And here for the After Effect for the Premiere Pro. So I'm just using Premiere Pro. So I'm opening Premiere Pro, and here is our file. So now let's move back to our Premiere Pro and now select the file what we use. So in a Premiere Pro, we got a file Title Pro for Premiere Pro vi install.ev, the exactly file that a viewer asked for us. So I'm just selected. So here you can see they are asking you for email and purchase code. Once you purchase your pack, you get the email and purchase code as well. So I'm just writing my email and purchase code right there. So once you write the email and purchase code, just press active, and after a few seconds it automatically added in your viewer. So here you go, our pack is just added in a viewer. Here is some title pack they are giving to us, like 8 different categories. When I open a minimal 1 line, so if you are looking for 1 line title, then it's obviously for you. They are given an option of 2 line title, 3 line, and even for 4 line titles. So I'm just want to add this in my timeline. So I'm just click on it, and after a few seconds it automatically added in my timeline. Yeah, here you go, our title pack appears right there. So I want to edit this text. For that, I'm just go with essential graphic panel and change the title whatever I want. We can also change the text of your choice, whatever you want to be changed. You can also change the scaling, like positioning and a scale, whatever you want. You can also change the color. It means you can change each and everything of the title. So I think so this title pack is really amazing. You can choose whatever you want. So here you can see they are also giving us some lower thirds right there. You just left click on this and it will be done within a few seconds. It will automatically edit in your timeline. So here you go, our title is just added in our timeline. So now let's take a look. Here you go, is our lower third. You can also change the text color whatever you want. So I think so this title pack is really amazing, and the viewer is also really amazing. So now let's talk about some EasyEdit assets. As you can see, they are providing you million of free medias, text, emoji right there. You can also choose the stickers, text, emoji, and you can also search whatever you want. It's really amazing plugin they are adding. It's free for Premiere Pro and After Effects as well. So here is the pricing of Title Pro. It costs you around $19 for lifetime for non-commercial purpose and for a monetized YouTube channel. And you can also go with a lifetime like a $200 if you want to use it for a multiple videos for the multiple purpose. So overall, EasyEdit Pro is a really good website for template. If you are looking for a template, then this website really helps you a lot. If you are a content creator or a beginner, then EasyEdit viewer is really helps you a lot and a time saver. Obviously, it's a free plugin for Premiere Pro and After Effects. So if you want to buy something from EasyEdit Pro, link in the description below. You can also check it out, EasyEdit Pro Instagram and YouTube channel, link in the description below. They also uploading videos on how to use their plugins and how you can use their templates pack. So here is the video of today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Take care.